Hello, I'm Rajesh, founder and mentor at 10xTechClub, an experiential learning center for students. An entrepreneur with over 2 decades of experience in tech industry. I have always had a strong urge to explore, discover, and grow as an individual. Call me a lifelong learner now. Early exposure to new experiences shaped my perspective and outlook towards the world. It helped me succeed in life. To prepare our youth for the future, we must introduce them to vital subjects beyond traditional schooling. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam rightly said in his vision for India, we need to introduce professional skill-based courses to school children to prepare them for the future. During school years, we need to set the next level thinking perspective for students. Young minds are receptive to discovering their passions and building new skills. Waiting until college is too late and there is a risk of falling behind. Drawing from my own experience, I understand the importance of skills and early exposure on future success. Traditional education falls short to prepare students for facing the challenges of tomorrow. So I started 10xTechClub, with the aim to prepare students for the rapidly evolving future. The future is technology-driven and students need to be exposed to the right frameworks to succeed. We aim to transform youth, create champions, and help them prepare for technology-based future. Join us on this journey to change the future.